We're staying Casey and Lily, and in our previous van, we traveled all over the United States. We thought it was time for something different, so we bought a brand new van, built it out, and what's a better idea than, as soon as it's ready, put it on a boat and ship it to Europe, which is exactly what we did. Embark with us on this road trip, an amazing road trip, through all of Europe in our brand new van. We hope you enjoyed this series as much as we did. So we're on our way now to Lake Garda, which is a very touristy spot in Italy. We had a great time in Venice. Casey did everything she wanted to do. She wanted to do a gondola ride, so she did that, right?
I did.
And we had a great time. However, I would say one day is enough to visit Venice, unless you have a whole list of things you want to do. One day was good. It was also really hot. Today is less hot. It's been cloudy all day. It's even been raining last night. I woke up and it was raining. I heard the rain on the fan. So all in all, it's been a very good day. We had a very good campground. We stayed there for 2 nights. Had a private beach, pool, everything, so it was pretty cool. And now we are on our way to Lake Garda, where I have booked a campground. It's a family operated campground, so it'll probably be a little bit smaller than the one we were at yesterday. The one we're at, last night and the night before. Extremely big, like crazy big, with its own private beach on the Adriatic coast. So that all being said, it was a good 2 days in Venice. We had a lot of fun, and now we're on our way to Lake Garda, and then we're gonna spend some time there, probably 2 nights, and then head to San Marino Republic, which is like one of the mini states in Italy. It's like Vatican City. It's its own state, but it's basically the size of a city. So we're gonna go to San Marino, and then from San Marino heading down to Gargano National Park, and then we're gonna cross Italy from the east coast all the way to the west coast, and then spend time at the Amalfi Coast. We are in Verona. Verona is we're passing through Verona. We're now staying here. But Verona is the town that features in the movie of Romeo, or the story, I should say. The movie came afterwards, but the story about Romeo and Juliet.
So I was right.
Written by Shakespeare. That was here in Verona, Italy. So we are passing through Verona now. Casey just saw a beautiful castle.
Mama,
And
I think they stuck that in there when the water.
we're gonna try to hit that castle on the way back
What's in there? Just a
and
bottle
see
of
if we
water,
can
right?
go there.
And a coffee cup.
Yeah, it's fine.
But it's been really cool. We are now in Lake Garda. The lake is over there. Okay, I specifically put it on that side so Casey can enjoy it. I specifically drove it on this side because that way you can enjoy it more than I. So many supermarkets that we have passed, but we wouldn't fit in any parking lots. This is kind of a, you know, the challenge in Europe with a big van like this one. You really kind of have to see where you park. But so far we've been able to get away with it, and maybe our campground will have a store, we'll see. And if not, we'll just Uber into town or walk. Yep, and get some groceries.
I'd rather Uber.
Yeah, of course. Lily doesn't walk. Lily also thinks we have servants for everything, which we don't.
Stop it.
Oh look, a bunch of artwork. We need to get one of those to put in the middle of the office. All these bunnies.
Giraffe.
Yeah man, look at it. How cool is that?
That would fit on the van.
Giraffe statue. I'm gonna look that up on the internet. Look guys, the Millimiglia.
What is that? I don't see anything.
You saw it, Stain. You got to see it.
Wow.
Oh. Okay, here we are. So we're gonna park the van on the right hand side
Behind this camper.
behind this camper, and then we are going to go check-in.
Check-in or check-in?
Check-in.
Mama, do I have to get dressed?
I'm gonna go check-in. You happy we're here? You wanna come check-in with me?
I can't because I'm not
You
dressed.
never go check-in with me.
I don't. I hold down the fort.
So we're sitting in the bus on our way to Salo, where we are going to, you know, walk into town and see what all there is. Maybe some lunch and dinner, we'll see. We are in Salo. This is about 15 minutes from our campground, and we're gonna see what all there is to do here. Look how pretty it is here.
Ooh, can I sit on that?
Yeah, olive trees.
They grow olives?
Yeah. So yummy.
Oh, that's what you're supposed to do.
This woman totally fell in love with Venice. So she asked this architect to build a villa similar to Palazzo Ducale of San Marco Square in Venice.
Oh, okay.
63 rooms.
Good morning. We have left our campground and Lily's still in her bed. We've left our campground in Lake Garda. It was great. Yesterday we went with the boat on the lake. It was really cool. Saw a bunch of cool buildings with a lot of cool history. Today we are going south on the east coast of Italy, the Adriatic coast, and we are going to go to San Marino. San Marino is one of the mini states in Europe. It's like Monaco, Liechtenstein, Andorra. San Marino is a country on its own. It's like Vatican City, but it's really only the size of a city. So Casey just read about San Marino and she said it's one of the oldest republics in the world. So it's its own country, pretty much within a country. So I think for some things they are using Italy. That's how we saw in Vatican City. Vatican City uses Italy for policing and all that. So I think they're contracting with Italy on certain things. But technically it's its own country. With its own license plates and its own, you know, like Monaco, for example, is a kingdom within France, and it's pretty much self-sufficient on that level. What do Americans eat for lunch, even in Europe?
McDonald's.
McDonald's. Yes. We are arrived at our campground in San Marino.
Finally.
And now we're gonna see where we can check in.
She's like, I give you syrup.
We are in the Republic of San Marino city center, and behind me is pretty much the rest of San Marino. So the historical city center has walls around it, and we're about to go in now and see what all is there. What amore?
Now we need to find where to get a bus ticket.
What?
Where do we get a bus ticket and catch the bus?
I don't know. Look over there, you can see the bell.
This is beautiful.
This is gorgeous, isn't it? I'm glad we didn't stay at the campground
But we're good.
today and we came here, even though for a little bit, we've still seen it. Lily, now you can hear the bell. You don't just see the bell, you can hear the bell. Smallest police cars I've ever seen. What?
I'm on the bus.
We're on the bus. The city center of San Marino was definitely worth it. We were at some point thinking, are we gonna go, because we arrived kind of late here. It was already 2 o'clock in the afternoon when we arrived, and the last bus was at 6, but we did it. We immediately basically arrived, parked the van. We didn't set anything out, awning or anything. And we said, you know what, we're just gonna hop on the bus and we're gonna go to the city center of San Marino, and we did. And I mean, it was absolutely gorgeous. It was like it came out of straight out of a magazine. Beautiful. It's like a secret passage here. You know, right?
All over
It
Italy.
smells like flowers.
It does.
It smells good.
Huh?
Kind of like Hawaii does.
Look, it's a doggy. He's waiting for you.